A very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I, Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to provide a revision lecture of English for the students of class 5th. My dear students, as you know that your unit test is going to approach very soon. First of all, let us discuss the guidelines for writing the answer paper. I request you all to write your roll number on the right hand side of your answer sheet. Dear students, don't forget to write your name, standard, roll number as well as the subject of whatsoever test you are writing. In many papers, I found that the roll number was not written. Even some students failed to write their name and full name. So, let's start with the revision of unit number 10, that is the Supremo. As we discussed the poem about the Supremo, the poem is about sun. When the sun comes up in the sky, he is considered as the king of the sky, and he tells the moon and the stars to go away. And at noon, he finally comes and it feels like as if the sun has set on the throne. And as soon as in the afternoon the shadow grows longer and longer, and the power of the sun starts to begin to decrease and become less and less, and at the end of the day he ceases, that means he loses all his power, and the night comes back again. So we are going to see the meanings of this chapter. The first one is Supremo. Supremo means the most important. Dawn means early morning. The next one is begun. Begun, that means to go away. Perfectly, that is totally or completely. Noon, that is afternoon. To reign, that means to rule. To descend, that means to go down. To ebb, that means to become less. And to wane also means to become less. To go down, that means to set. As we say that the sun goes down, so here the sun is setting. To cease, that means to stop. And darkness here in the poem means night. My dear students, let's discuss the question answers of this chapter. Who is the king of the sky in the poem? So, who is the king? As we know, we solved the poem, we came to know that the sun is considered as the king of the sky in the poem. Whom does he order to go away? Here he means the sun. So he orders the stars and the moon to go away. Write the rhyming words of the lines. So there are specific lines given and rhyming words you can note, that is slight, white and light. At what time of the day does he sit on his throne? So here, at what time of the day the sun sits on the throne? So the answer to this is, he sits on the throne at noon. When does he cease to reign? He ceases to reign at the end of the day. So here, when does the sun ceases? That means stops to rule. So he ceases to reign at the end of the day. What happened when the sun goes down? When the sun goes down, the stars come out and the night returns again. So what happens when the sun is setting, when the sun goes down? So as soon as the sun goes down, the stars come out and the night in the world also returns. So my dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. I am sharing a PDF file in which the question answers and the meaning is given. You can write the same as a part of your revision in your classwork book or in your fair book. So till then, do start studying this chapter for your upcoming unit test. And as I mentioned in the starting of the video, dear students, please don't forget to write your name and roll number and write the answers in a proper manner. Many of the students are changing the serial numbers of the questions. So write the same question number which is provided you in the question paper. Thank you and have a nice day.